Okay, we're going to have a quick look at histograms today. Okay, so histograms are very like bar charts, except your bars are stuck together in histograms, okay? And they are used to show continuous data. Bar charts are used to show discrete data. So for a histogram, you're talking about continuous data where there's no gaps between the data. So for example, time in minutes 0 to 5 and then 5 to 10. There's no gap in there. If it was a bar chart, it would be 0 to 5 and then 6 onwards. Okay, so there would be a gap. So that's how you know whether you're going to do a bar chart or a histogram. So if it's continuous, you have 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and so on. Okay, that's the time it took taken by children to solve a puzzle. Okay, now 6 of them finished it in 0 to 5 and 10 of them finished it in 5 to 10. But you need to be given an additional piece of information to figure out where to put the child if they finished it in 5 minutes. Do they go on the 0 to 5 or do they go on the 5 to 10? So down here you can read, note 0 to 5 means all the values from 0 up to but not including 5. Okay, so T is bigger than or equal to 0 but less than 5. So that means if they did it in 5 minutes, they're not in here, they're in the next one, 5 to 10. This would be everything bigger than and including 5, but less than 10. Okay, so this little note, they should give you the note at the end of each question to tell you where to put the numbers. This little note tells you which one they go into. So when you're drawing your histogram, it's very similar to your bar chart. You must have equal widths for the bars. Okay, the top line of your table goes on the bottom line of your chart, and then the bottom line goes on the side. Okay, so you're doing 0 to 5. You could write in there 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 if you wanted, or what they've done, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And from there, you can read the mode quite easy. So the mode, again, the modal class is the highest bar, so that would be 10 to 15. Okay, and you could have read that from your table. You know that 10 to 15 came up the most. But that's how you read it. You're looking for the highest bar for mode. Okay, so that is going to go into your example copy. Histograms is your heading. Few notes. It shows continuous data. Okay, no gaps between the bars. And you're going to put example 1 on page 307 into the copy underneath that.